Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about annual variability of moisture transport over the northern Indian Ocean and South Asian summer monsoon. F.S. Syed is the lead author. Viewer, the authors studied the inter-annual variability of the vertically integrated zonal meridional moisture transport in the lower troposphere over the northern Indian Ocean using observed data from 1971 to 2016 for the South Asian summer monsoon SASM season. The moisture transport variability was dominated by the zonal component associated with the Somali low-level jet. For identification of the dominant models of inter-annual variability, 3D-dimensional empirical orthogonal function analysis was performed. The leading mode associated with suppressed meridional moisture transport in both the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and increased zonal moisture transport over the Bay of Bengal was linked with the positive phase of Indian Ocean dipole and El Nino conditions in the Pacific Ocean. The second leading mode was associated with the enhanced zonal moisture flow over the Arabian Sea extending up to the Bay of Bengal, allied with the Somali low-level jet, and enhanced northwest moisture transport over the whole region. This enhanced moisture flow results in stronger monsoon circulation and increased rainfall over South Asia. Viewer, this article was published in the Journal of Climate Research in 2018. I hope you found this video useful. I really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.